My name is B. Teja. I am from 6th class. My school name is ZPHS Koratpally English Medium.
My name is Kalyan.
Tractor drilling machine working model. Definition: it is a machine or a power tool that is used to create cylindrical holes in a depth. Drilling is the process of cutting holes in a solid material used cutting tool.
Pass. Cotton, gum, emitter, cell, wire, diversity, tire.
Principle: when the power is given to the motor spindle and the pulley rotates, one more pulley, that is inverted, increase or decrease the speed of the rotational motion.
Used. High speed, easy to operate, high factability load maintained.
Sure.
Thank you.
Show them. Okay, again you do. Again you switch on.